It was built in Stalin times, that's why it's so huge. Now we stay near, but now this place is not for fun anymore. It's full of different items, and we turned this place into a museum.
That is Khrushev Street. My previous episode was about it. So near the main street of Kyiv there is an Independence Square, and today I'm going to talk about it.
Hi, it's Kyiv. Now I'm preparing a playlist called Walking Tour in Kyiv, and this is my first video in this episode. I want to show you the best of my beautiful city. What you see in my videos you wouldn't find from any other tour guide. So, without further ado, let's begin. We are now at the Independence Square, Maidan Nezalezhnosti or just Maidan. It's the main square in Kyiv. And it was our usual place for protest, and the word Maidan became famous from the Orange Revolution in 2004. Also at this space all important concerts and events took place. I even remember a free open-air concert with Paul McCartey in 2008 and some years later with Elton John and the Queen in 2020. All streets was full of people and I was very happy. But now this place is not for fun anymore. Since 2014, 6 years ago happened a huge protest here because our president did not agree to sign a document associating Ukraine with the European Union. Right after that, the students went here for peaceful demonstration, but unfortunately violence broke out between them and the police. So over the next days, their parents and other citizens decided to join in. It was the very beginning of this protest.
Government didn't take any action, so people built barricades and started to live there, as a symbol of not retreating back from the ideas they were protesting for. And in February 2014, this turned into more violent protests, with, according to officials, 100 people killed by government snipers. Hard to believe that everything happened here. And right after people were killed, the President Yanukovych escaped to Russia.
Our president left his palace full of different items and we turned this place into a museum. In some of my next videos I go there and show you this place. Up until now he has disappeared and we have no idea how he is doing. Underneath the square is a hidden restaurant museum about the revolution in Ukraine called Last Barricade. And in some of my next videos I also show you this place. Now we stay near reconstructed city gates with the statue of Archangel Michael on the very top.
That is the official symbol of Kyiv, the guardian angel who was fighting with evil and witches. By the way, during the Second World War, Maidan, Independence Square, and Khrushev was destroyed by numbers of explosions by Soviet soldiers. After the war, everything was built from the ground in the 1950s. That is why it looks different from Old Town.
Also here there are musical fountains that at night light up with different colors.
0 point. If you look that way, you can see the pedestal with a specific distance from this very place to all capital cities of the world. All original Ukrainian centers are also written on the ground.
Here I wanted to point out to you this obelisk stela of independence. It was constructed in the year 2001 for the 10th anniversary of the independence of Ukraine. That is our symbol of independence. Also behind it you can see a hotel called Ukraine. It was built in Stalin times, that's why it's so huge. The next leader, Khrushchev, decided not to finish this project. You can see the building is not completed. So, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, and follow me in the link in the description box down below. I also have Patreon. Please feel free to support my videos so that I can continue making more and buy better vocabulary and improve my English. So, bye!